yeah. Check it out. See, what I believe is we was granted the power. What's that? Power what? Power to make you dance like this.
Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. So I'm back with a new video, and in today's video I'm featuring UNice hair. Big thank you to UNice for sponsoring another video. Now let's jump into this look because I'm super excited about this one, and I think you will be too. If you're familiar with the channel, you should already know about the UNice packaging. I rave about it all the time. So cute, so girly, so pink. Yeah, my wig came packaged. Inside I got a pack of 2 HD wig caps and a melt band to melt this lace down. I also received a sleeve of free everything lace tape in case I want to tape this down instead of spraying this down or gluing this down. Today we have a frontal, and this is a curly frontal, but this is the black cherry color. So I'm going to insert a video. I'm going to pop it up right here. This is one of my favorite wig installs from UNice. And I think I did it again in a different style. So I'll pop both videos up right here so you can see. It's the black cherry color, which is basically like this super dark plum magenta light color, but they did it in a curly texture. Right out of the package, this is what she looks like. As you can see, the hairline is pre-plucked. Everything is pre-cut. How gorgeous that color is. This is what the unit looks like. Now for length, I have this in 20 inches. Now, UNice, you know I like my inches, but we're gonna make it do what it do. So this is her. We're gonna get into what the inside looks like. This one does come with a drawstring, which is perfect because this is like a one-size-fits-all cheat code. I also have the traditional adjustable bands. I have a comb in the nape area, and I have 2 combs on the side, as well as an adjustable elastic band. And they provided me with tape already done inside. So this is what this looks like up against my hands. I feel like that's like a perfect match. Pull it back. I will be back and we will install this and style her. So let's get into it. done. This is the finished look. As you can see, I went through a few different styles because I was just undecided. I went with a flip over. I was going for a side part, but keep in mind that the parting space is tapered. So I couldn't get the deep side part that I wanted. So I did a flip over look instead, which I really love with curly hair because I feel like it brings attention away from the lace when you do flip over with curly hair as opposed to like a dead center part. But I did have to show you what it looked like in a center part regardless. And then the last style that I showed you is this, which you know, if you've been on the channel, you know this is my favorite. So I feel like you can never really go wrong with this style. Very playful, very cute. It takes a lot of the hair out of your face. The back of the hair, I did not wet down with product because the more wet the hair is, the darker it looks, and I really wanted you to see the color. That is also why I changed the color of my top, because it was blending in with the hair. The back of the hair is pretty much dry. This is what it looks like wet. You can still see the color, but it's not as bright and vibrant when it is wet. This is it. I'm going to have all the details down below. Keep in mind, this is available on Amazon, so you can get this in about 48 hours if you have Prime. Super affordable, very easy to install considering that everything is done for you. I'm going to add this to my UNice hair playlist. Be sure to check out that playlist if you want to see more wigs that are ready to go, how I style them and tweak them. Let me know what you think about this because I told you the Black Cherry collab was one of my all-time favorites with UNice. I'm going to link that video down in the description box, or it should be popping up right here. Shout out to UNice for sponsoring today's video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.